Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your buyers traffic for free. And more importantly, I don't just want to show you how to get your buyers traffic for free. I'm going to show you with this strategy, it's a proven strategy, how to earn a monthly recurring profit every single month so you can scale up and buy more traffic to build your primary business faster. So you'll be starting the beginning of every month in profit, and it's a monthly recurring profit. You're not chasing one-off sales every single month. Also with this strategy, I'll teach you how to promote to thousands of new buyers every single month. And also with the strategy, how you can build a buyer's email list because buyers buy over and over again. First of all, I'll just show you some proof that it works, and then I'm going to show you the strategy that you can follow. It's a three-step simple strategy. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. These are where the products are hosted, and they give you the stats here. So for the last 6 days, a couple of important stats here just to show you the growth you can achieve. And in the last 6 days, $130 of commissions have come in. And a couple of things here: recurring payment on this day, and then on this day, new referrals and recurring payments, initial sales, so more new referrals and recurring payments on this day. So every single day, new referral and more recurring payments. Initial sales, so more referrals and more recurring payments. And then yesterday, more sales, more new referrals, and more recurring payments. So every day you're earning recurring commissions. And if I go into my transactions for all time, I'll come to these commissions and how they work a little bit later on. We'll go into all time here in my account. I just want to show you so far my results with this strategy. And you'll see here that I've sold $6,540 of these products, and the profit is, well, the commissions are $3,206. I'm going to come to that a bit later on, but first of all, I want to show you. First of all, I want to show you the proof there that it works, and now I'm going to show you the actual strategy. So I'm going to come onto my little whiteboard here and show you in 3 simple steps how it works. So the first thing you do is, there'll be links in the descriptions for all these offers. The first thing you do is you put your offer in front of buyers. You can do it on autopilot with these offers. So you're going to join the click engine, and the click engine is very low priced. It's only $4.95 a month. So you're going to join the click engine. There'll be a link in the description where you can join the click engine. And then what you're going to do, you're going to put your offer into the click engine, and the click engine has got 100% buyers within that program. So 2 things will happen. You put a lead capture page in there. 2 things can happen there. They can either buy from you because they're already buyers, put your offer in there, or because you use a lead capture page, they can come down here and they can opt into your offer. And if they opt into your offer, you're starting to build a buyer's list, because everybody in the click engine is already a buyer. So let's put this over here. Let's put BL for buyer's list. So you're starting to build a buyer's list in some cases before they've even bought from you. So that's step 1. Step 1 over here. And then step 2 over here. Step 2 is what you do. A little the box here is you promote the click engine as an affiliate, because when you're a paying member Jeff Ayman, who's the owner of the Click Engine, will give you an affiliate link and you're going to promote the Click Engine. And we've even got a step-by-step video tutorial system by Jeff Ayman here. I'll put a link in the description. It'll say free 7-figure earner training. So Jeff has created this set of video tutorials. Even if you're an absolute beginner, you can follow this system here and he'll teach you how to promote the Click Engine. So you start to promote the Click Engine. And if you want some free traffic to do that, then I'll just pin this blog post to the top comment below this video. These are my 5 best free traffic sources that you can use. So if you're on a tight budget, you can still follow this system. And then what happens is when you promote the Click Engine, you start to earn commissions. And all you need with the Click Engine is you just need 2 referrals. You carry on promoting the Click Engine and then you get into profit. You get into profit with the Click Engine. Just 2 referrals get you traffic for free, carry on promoting and you get into profit. So let's put over here profit. Now Jeff has already got some upsells built into the Click Engine. So you might even get into profit faster if any of your referrals buy any of the upgrades. It's a done for you funnel with multiple income streams built into it. And then what you do is you take your profit and you come over here. And then what you do is you buy another autopilot buyer's traffic offer. So let's say you want to buy, let's say you buy Easy Clicks. So you're going to buy Easy Clicks. Again, it's low cost. I think Easy Clicks is $6.90. And then Easy Clicks, it's got 100% buyers in here. And all this is on autopilot. It's automated. So if you're like me, you got a full-time job and you're busy with family, friends and hobbies, you can start to automate everything. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your offer into Easy Clicks. And then 2 things will happen. They'll either buy from you, where you earn some money, or they'll come down here, they'll opt into your lead capture page, and then you add in some more buyers onto your buyers list. So your buyers list is growing. Let's put a plus sign there. Your buyers list is growing. And then what happens within step 3, this is really key. You've got some more offers over here. More offers that you can promote to your buyers list. And buyers buy over and over again. So you're going to earn some more money over here. If you don't know what to promote, then just my email address will be in the description. Just contact me and I'll let you know what I promote. And then you continue promoting over here. Now remember, over here, this profit is recurring. Recurring commissions. And there's also upgrades, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And there's upgrades. So even more commission from the upgrades. And the upgrades convert really, really well. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And then what you can do with this system here that Jeff has given you, you can edit this system. It's customizable and editable. So within just a couple of minutes changing that system, you can use that system to promote Easy Clicks and more profit. So as your profit grows over here, you carry on promoting. You can promote Click Engine, you can promote Easy Clicks, and then you take more of your profit. This is not money coming from your bank account. You're getting monthly recurring commissions coming in. You're getting commissions from the upsells, and then you add to your portfolio a third. A third. That could be autopilot clicks. AC. I'm going to come to the exciting bit in a minute. AC. Put your offer in there. Autopilot. It's all automated. It's all AP. It's all autopilot. Two things can happen. So you've got your offer now in front of more buyers. They might buy, or they opt into your lead capture page and they go onto your buyers list. And your buyers list is growing. And you're promoting more offers to your buyers. Now, what happens here, as you build this portfolio, some of these offers have now been going for over a year. And the key thing here is there are thousands, and I mean thousands, there are thousands of existing buyers within these offers. So you're going to be promoting your offer to thousands of buyers on autopilot, thousands of buyers, automated, hands-free. You can be at work, you can be asleep, but new ones are joining every single month. Thousands of new buyers are joining every single month. So you're continuing to promote on it's automation. You're going to be promoting to thousands of new buyers, and the bigger the portfolio, you can then join and get another one under here. The bigger your portfolio, the more you're going to. This could be click traffic cyclone. Here, same thing happens. Buyers onto your buyers list, and then you're going to make more money here from your offers, your other offers, because your buyers list is growing and you're promoting your offers, so you're making more money over here. So you're not only making money from what I'm showing you in the Warrior Plus account, you're also making more money from what you're promoting to your buyers within your buyers list. And if I show you here now how the monthly recurring payments work, so down the right hand side here you'll see these recurring payments, and if I come further down to some that have been going a bit longer here, 6 months, 8 months, 3 months, 8 months, 2 months. Some down here have been paying for, let's get to some down here. Some down here have been paying for over a year. 3, these are quite new. 8 months, 7 months, 2 months, 8 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 11 months. So now we're getting down to the ones that have been paying a little bit longer. These are all quite new, 5 months. Now all the gaps in here, let me just go to more rows on here so I can take it back to the full history. And I want to show you how the upgrades work, so how you can get into profit faster with the upgrades. So easy clicks traffic here, upgrade, $17. So when I say you only need 2 referrals to get membership for free, sometimes you get that faster because these new members that are joining here, click engine, double the buyer traffic, $14.90. So you'd be in profit there with 1 member and go past all these monthly recurring payments. Easy clicks, $17 payment. So there's lots of upsells built into these funnels. These are all, let's have a look down here. Here's some more. So another one here, $17. Another one here at $15.50, $14.95. 8 months. Recurring payment, 10 months. So you can get into profit faster because by promoting the offers, each of the owners have put multiple income streams into the funnels there. So that's how the strategy works. That's how the system works. It's just 3 simple steps. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That helps support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you think of anybody who would be interested in this video, please share it as well. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about the how to get your buyer traffic for free, anything to do with this video, any of the offers, Warrior Plus offers, then please leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions. And if you'd like to get mentored by me one-to-one, my email address will be in the description. Just contact me direct through email. So the links in the description will have all the offers that I've mentioned today. So you can either join through those links or you can get more information on those products. And if you want to follow the strategy, then just get started. I recommend you start with the click engine first, because that's really high converting. And also it's got, you can start out with this strategy here straight away and set this this system up with the click engine. And then you can go from there if you want to carry on and build that portfolio. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.